Alright guys, today I'm doing the exhaust video, highly requested. Basically I'm going to just show you all the difference between cold start before and after, and then I did like a flyby like this one dude asked me to do, and then I put the GoPro on like the license plate on the back and did a couple just POV drives. Sounds a lot better than before, obviously. Before it was literally like one giant pipe coming to a Y-shaped resonator with one exit coming back to two big mufflers, and then only one of those mufflers had an exit hole coming down the back. You can kind of see it in the video, but just super restrictive, does not sound like a V8, and now it does.